Hi friends, let me show you these new Deller fire extinguishers that I received for reviewing purposes. They are water-based and are recommended for class A, B, C, and K kind of fires. Class A, paper, wood, and other general combustibles. Class B, gasoline and other liquids. Class C, electrically charged substances. And Class K, cooking oil category, okay? So it's always great to have fire extinguishers available in your home, in your office, in your car. You can mount this harness so you can have them available wherever you decide to put them, okay? This is a security feature. You get it off and then you just use it. We are going to test them, but I want to show you. They are not that big. They are really portable. And whenever you need a fire extinguisher, these ones are a great option to have, okay? So let's test them. Friends, we're going to test the fire extinguisher. First, you have to get rid of this lock that it has. And then, depending on the size of the fire, we're pretending this box is the fire. You get your left hand this, and you can start aiming at the fire and extinguishing it, okay? So it's good to have one of these to, well, if you get a fire in your office, in your home, in your tool room, in your garage, in your car, it's good to have one of these handy and be able to, so you can use it in any fire that starts by accident or for any reason, okay? The fire is gone. Thank you. So you also get these bases to put your extinguisher and have it handy in your office. As you can see, we put it here in the office entrance. So if there is any trouble over there, you can just get it and activate it. Thank you.